Need to change text on your website, but don't want to involve a developer? In this video, I'll show you how to change a headline visually, preview it safely, and publish it live without writing a single line of code using FreeCROTool. Let's create a new visual editor test. We'll give it a meaningful name so it's easy to identify later. Then click Create. The home page is already selected as the page we want to test, so we'll leave that as it is. Now let's open the visual editor. FreeCROTool loads the page inside the editor so we can make changes directly on the website instead of editing code. To change some text, click something to edit, then select the headline on the page. The red outline shows exactly which element you're about to edit, making it easy to choose the right one. Because we've selected a text element, the editor automatically gives us a text field. As I type, you'll see the website update instantly. No HTML, CSS, or JavaScript required. I'll minimize the visual editor so we can see the new headline more clearly. We've changed it to Improve Your Website using a /B testing. Once you're happy with the change, simply scroll to the bottom and save it. Next, we'll prepare the test for QA before making it available to visitors. Open Settings, where we control who sees the test and whether it's in staging or live. We'll leave the audience as all visitors. Later, you could target specific audiences, such as mobile visitors only, or show different experiences based on your own targeting rules. Now we'll change the status to staging. This means only authorized QA users can see the new version, while everyone else continues to see the original page. While the test is in staging, it always serves the pinned variant. In this case, that's the version containing our new headline, while the control remains the original page. Click Save to store those settings. Saving stores the configuration, but the website hasn't changed yet. To make the latest version available, we need to publish it. Publishing updates the global CDN with any changes made since the last publish. After a few seconds, we'll see confirmation that everything has been successfully deployed. Now we can click Preview to view exactly what our QA users will see. As expected, we're seeing the variant containing our new headline. Before making any tests live, it's good practice to check it on desktop, tablet, and mobile to make sure everything still looks exactly as you expect. For this demonstration though, let's publish it live. We do that exactly the same way. Open Settings, change the status from staging to live, then click Save. Because we've changed the test status, we need to publish once more, so the live CDN receives the latest version. Now, let's open an incognito window and visit the home page as a normal visitor. It can take a couple of minutes before you see the latest version, because the tag is cached around the world. You may also land in the control variation, which still shows the original headline. I've shortened this section while waiting for the cache to refresh and for this browser session to be allocated to our test variant. And there it is. We're now seeing the updated headline being served to a real visitor. And that's it. We've changed the headline, previewed it, quality assured it, and published it without writing a single line of code or involving a developer. If you'd like to try it yourself, you can create a free account at FreeCROTool.com.